It's insane how much money can be made with extremely simple things. I've said this many, many times. And in today's video, we're going to look at an example of a Shopify store that's doing nearly $100 million per year selling yarn. Literally, yarn. So as you see on my screen, what I'm talking about is this store called yarnspirations.com. Brilliant domain name, by the way. And they sell patterns, yarn, threads, and I guess just a bunch of other related things in this niche. It's absolutely brilliant, and they're selling these kits now as well, which is super cool. And we're gonna dive right into literally everything related here so that you can get some ideas to start your business, or so that you can get some ideas for marketing, general markets, or things that they're doing that are allowing them to scale so big. This morning I tweeted this tweet where I said, blitz scaling this account to $1 million a month. We were at $2K a day at the beginning of the month. These brand owners are wizards at products and logistics, but at Akemi, our entire focus is profitable growth. So that's a perfect alliance. And I'm mentioning this right now because I know some of you out there are incredible brand owners, incredible product people, and I'd love to partner up. So make sure that you fill out our form if you need help and you want to work with us. So here we go. Let's look at their best sellers. That's always what I love to look at first. So if we look at their top picks, and then we go to their best sellers, we'll see what they're selling the most. So apparently this red yarn, this red heart gemstone yarn is their best seller. So let's actually take a look. Oh, but actually, you know what? This looks cool, right? It's just yarn, it's $6, pretty affordable, right? But this actually here looks like a winning product, right? So obviously not all you guys are from dropshipping, from the dropshipping world, but most of you are. And this is why I love to show these stores, because you'd be surprised, guys. Really, the reason why most people fail with dropshipping is because they don't know how to build good products or build a brand around a product. Even if the product isn't the greatest, I don't think you should ever sell products that you think are terrible. But ultimately, the reason people succeed is because they make their store look like a brand. So that's why I show you these, so that you can copy these in terms of the looks. But if you want to build your dropshipping store, do it. Just make sure that you make it look really awesome. And you'd be surprised. We've worked with $1 million per month Shopify stores that dropship, and we run their ads. So it's a great business model if you can still make sure that you build a relationship with the supplier, and if you can sell good products, really, and make the brand look like a brand. That's what differentiates you from Amazon. So this is a really brilliant product, I think. Coats & Clark Friendship Bracelet Kit. This is actually so genius. I love these kinds of bracelets personally. I think they look cool, and a lot of people love making them. So this is a really, really brilliant kit to have. And it's $30, so it's not super cheap by any means. I mean, you could easily charge a little bit more if you add some more resources to it, maybe extra yarn. There's so much upsell potential with this. And, I do want to say this brand probably does sell a lot outside of e-commerce. So, they have an affiliate program. They drive a ton of traffic to their store, 2 million monthly visitors. And their store is not that crazy. It's actually extremely simple. So if we go through this checkout process, you'll see that it's not anything complex. Now, this is pretty good here. Their cart has these scarcity tactics, only 500 left. You can spend 69 more and you'll get a free gift. Now, the great thing about this niche and this brand in particular is that you can do a lot of content with this product, right? Like with these kinds of products, you can create so many things, and the arts and crafts niche is so massive on a media side that it's going to allow you to really get some eyeballs on your brand quite easily by just creating content in the niche. And that's actually a really good way to think of a business to start, is can you make content around this business, right? Because content is like energy these days. I mean, if you can get attention to your business, you're gonna get sales if it's the right attention. And as you see, they go really hard at posting on social media. They have 600,000 followers. That's huge. And their reels do very, very well. So I'm assuming that they're running meta ads. Let me see. I'm not entirely sure. I've never checked this before. So you're watching this live. Yes, they are running ads. Every single big brand runs ads. But here's the thing, 14 different results, and these are not good ads, right? I mean, some of these are like UGC ads and they're kind of cool. Some of these are, middle of the funnel, bottom of the funnel ads. That's great. This looks like a catalog ad. However, having all this content and not utilizing it for ads is a little bit shocking to me. And I see this everywhere. I literally see this every single day that I review stores. Another reason I like reviewing stores is because I would love to work with this brand, right? I totally see the arbitrage opportunity between all the content that they're posting on short form and what they're doing on Meta, right? So this is really our specialty, is combining organic traffic with paid. And it works extremely well. So I would love to be able to do that for this brand. However, they're not doing that right now. So that's definitely some area of improvement that, could probably get them to this goal of 100 to 200 million that SimilarWeb estimates. So in 2023, they did 59 million, which is huge. But, they're only going up from here. They got a monopoly, it seems like, on the yarn market, though that also presents a good opportunity to disrupt it, right? Because this isn't really that crazy of a business, it looks like, in terms of just how it's set up. I think it could definitely use a fresher look and feel, maybe targeted specifically at younger people or at older people. Who knows, right? But ultimately, these are niches that not a lot of people ever look into, yet they are extremely profitable. Everybody always goes for the latest niche, such as supplements, for example, or beauty, right? Like, these are very popular niches. However, sometimes if you look a little bit deeper into these communities, you'll find some gold.